Just enjoying a little bit of sunshine here in Cape Town before the next strong cold front arrives. So here's your Thursday forecast. We can clearly see the next cold front making its way to South Africa on our synoptic analysis. But ahead of the front, it's going to be a foggy Thursday morning for the interior, some light frost over the Free State as well as parts of the Karoo, and also foggy patches in KwaZulu-Natal, the Eastern, Southern and Western Cape. We also do have a reaching high that's going to push in much cooler conditions, some cloud and morning showers for KwaZulu-Natal. And then very early on Friday morning, the next cold front arrives in the Western Cape. A fresh westerly wind becoming light on Thursday afternoon over the southern coastline. Windy conditions for parts of Limpopo and northerly winds also picking up here in parts of the Northern Cape. Then into the evening, a strong northeasterly wind for the east coast and fresh northwesterly winds also starting to pick up ahead of that front. It's a mainly dry Thursday for South Africa with only light showers the morning for KwaZulu-Natal and a slight chance of a few drops of rain falling over the extreme northeastern areas of the Lowveld. It's a few degrees warmer in the Western Cape on Thursday, with maximum temperatures above 30 degrees over the northern areas. A thick layer of high-level cloud moving over the Western Cape, peaking at only a high of 17 degrees in Cape Town, Hermanus, as well as Swellendam. A cold start to your day for the interior of the Western Cape as well as the Karoo. Light frost in places, and then into the afternoon, a northwesterly wind blowing. Cirrus cloud moving over the Karoo, and maximum temperatures peaking in the upper teens for parts of the Eastern Cape, 19 in Kumani as well as Kua, and 17 for East London as well as Mthatha. That onshore flow will push in cloud and cooler conditions for KwaZulu-Natal and mainly morning showers. Later, a mostly cloudy and cooler day with 20 in Durban, Richards Bay as well as Ladysmith, 18 in the afternoon in Pietermaritzburg. It's also a much cooler day for the Lowveld of Mpumalanga, at least 10 degrees cooler compared to Wednesday with a high of 20 degrees in Mbombela. The same for the Lowveld of Limpopo, much cooler conditions with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures there only in the mid-20s, but another sunny and hotter day for the Bushveld. Also becoming sunny and quickly heating up in northwest after a chilly morning. Maximum temperatures expected in the upper 20s. The Weather Service warning against runaway fires over the eastern areas. Still quite chilly over the southern and western areas of the Northern Cape. Lots of high-level cloud moving over the province, but warming up in the northeast with 25 in Kimberley. It's a cold and frosty morning for parts of the Free State, -1 in Bloemfontein, dropping to freezing level in Vicksburg with a high of 23 degrees. Another sunny and very warm day ahead for Gauteng, yet again peaking at 30 degrees in Pretoria. It's windy at times, so runaway fires still a risk for the province. Overnight into Friday, the next cold front slamming the southwestern coast. We're expecting strong winds and scattered showers. Then we also do have an upper level trough that's bringing down some moisture for northeastern South Africa, and the first thunderstorms could likely bubble up and move over parts of northwest as well as Gauteng and the Highveld. There's a likelihood that those storms could quickly blow away, or in very isolated places, the storms could also settle the dust. And then overnight into Saturday, that cold front bringing cold conditions and showers for the southern coastline, isolated morning thunderstorms for Limpopo, and cooler conditions yet again moving into KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Mpumalanga, and also a few degrees cooler in Gauteng with temperatures in the mid-20s. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.